Wagwan people, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another freaking video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to revamp your matted wigs, and also I'll be showing you how to get it from a curly to straight. If you'd like to see how I do this, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
Okay, so this is the wig that we're working with, and I have this wig for quite some time now. I think I installed this on the channel before, so if you'd like to see that video, go ahead and check it out. But this is the wig that we're working with. So okay, so now we're gonna grab some conditioner, and you always want to make sure you use conditioner, and I'm using the White Rain moisturizing conditioner, and I'm just gonna add some to the container that I'll be using to revamp the hair. Now after you've poured your conditioner in the container or the tub, whatever you're using, now I'm gonna go ahead and pour the hot water into the container with the conditioner, and then you're just gonna put the wig in it to sit for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so now you want to grab something that would help you to push the hair down into the water without getting your hands burned. So that is what I just did. Okay, so now this is where I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the wig and get it to look how I really want it to look. So what you're gonna do is, after you revamp the wig, you're gonna dry it with a towel or whatever you want to use to dry it, and you're just gonna put it on your mannequin head and blow it out. So this is what the hair looks like when it's blown out. You can wear it like this if you wish, but I am gonna get it straight. So I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer, and I'm using this tea tree oil. You can find this in any local beauty store or any convenience store that you go to. And I am just gonna go in to moisturize the hair to give it a more softer feeling and not so dry. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to go ahead and flat iron the hair, but I already flat iron like most of the back, cause girl, my flat iron wanted to act up and I couldn't take the problem, so I did it off camera, and now I'm just gonna show you a little peek of the flat ironing process. Like this bald cap thingy. I don't have that one next to me right now, so we're gonna work with what I have. So I have this stocking cap that I cut off the foot. And well, I had this stocking and I cut off the foot, and I'm gonna use it under the wig right now. So what I'm gonna do is to go ahead and pop this up under here, and I'm gonna pull this back. No, people, I don't do the bald cap method.
What? What the fuck?
So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to go ahead and lay this wig down. I'm gonna use my Got To Be glue spray and my blow dryer to go ahead and lay this wig. And here's the wig. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on onto my head. ahead and play around with this to see how it looks once it's combed through.
Okay, so this is how the wig is looking right now. Wait a minute! Who are you? But I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can work on this. I'm going to see if I can style it also. I want this side to be around here, like so. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and lay the wig using this Got To Be glue spray along with my blow dryer. So we're gonna go ahead and lay each section of the wig separately. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply the lace to where you had sprayed the glue. And after you've done that, you want to grab your comb and you just want to comb through the front of the hair and also use the tail of the comb to press on the lace where the glue is. And then you're going to grab your blow dryer to help you dry the area as you comb through. So we're just going to repeat the steps and you should have a perfectly laid lace.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, sis. We're gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. So you wanna grab your scissors and just cut off where you're having some lifting on the lace, right? As for this side, I'm not sure what's going on, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off just the same. And then I'm gonna apply some more spray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down, right? So you wanna tie this down to allow it to melt onto the skin. Okay, going in with some alcohol, what we're gonna do is to go ahead and clean up the perimeter of the lace where the spray had catch from spraying. And you don't want to use a lot of alcohol because as we all know, alcohol helps to remove the wigs. So you just want to clean up the circumference of the hairline, right? And then you're gonna go in with your baby hair, and I'm using the Got To Be glue along with my wax, right? My edge control, and I'm just gonna apply this, straighten it out, and go ahead and lay the baby hairs.
I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right